Roasting our chiles, and therefore our chile relleno, where Chris is putting them directly on the flame on top of the stove. And let's see how long it takes to roast these babies.
I don't know. Get them done on one side. Yeah, so that's done. On that side.
That's what your chile relleno is supposed to look like when you've charred it enough.
Oh,
and then hold them upright to get the bottoms.
Yeah.
And then you're going to remove them from the flame, put them in a bowl, cover them with saran wrap, and let them kind of steam. And then afterwards, we will remove the outside skin.
Correct.
Oh, is this the onion you wanted us to use, or did you want us to chop additional?
No, we need more than that. Cross. Don't cut all the way through the onion.
Okay.
That way, it's held together for you.
Got it. Okay.
Then, you've got a nice chopped onion without having to cover, hold the bowls tight, and shake the crap out of it. Peeled garlic.
Oh, you got it.
But you're still moving the knife forward a little bit. Okay? And
So we've added some coriander that's been toasted and some toasted cumin to the onions and the garlic.
on the onion, we'll help get the onions cooked, get the water out of them basically. So I would now turn this off.
Those go in?
Dump the whole thing in. There you go, there you go. And get it all mixed in with the
Salt, pepper, and your
Be
grated
generous.
mozzarella cheese to the potato and onion and garlic mixture. Make sure the potatoes are cold.
So you make an incision on one side. You open it up. Take out.
Is this where you would use, no, you don't use a paper towel on it?
Huh?
You don't use a paper.
Okay, good. So, pick it up with your hand and straddle it. And overstuff it. Just like that. And then, put it down. We can get another sheet pan. You put it seam side down,
Okay.
and then you're gonna olive oil the top.
You're gonna put some, okay.
Bias. So, and look at the color underneath. So I'll cut a couple, but like I said, you can take a whole, a half, come back to the other half, whatever you want.